Hi, family and friends. It's TRUEsday Tuesday. Today, I'm going to give you 7 things to consider when you're choosing a life insurance plan. Number one is going to be affordable coverage. So, one of the most things to consider is whether you will be able to keep your coverage in place. So, as you weigh quotes for term insurance against more expensive universal life insurance policies, remember that term insurance, you are simply just purchasing life insurance without the cash value component that's included in the universal life policy, or even if you think about getting a whole life insurance policy, that is going to have a cash value component included in there. Therefore, it will be more expensive. Okay. Number two, you want to take in consideration your underwriting considerations. So if you're in perfect health, you should qualify for preferred or super preferred rates with many insurance carriers. And if you have one or more underlying health conditions, though, don't make the mistake of thinking you have to go with one insurance company strictly because they offer you that coverage, or that you are uninsurable simply because one company denied your application. I do work with many carriers, so we're able to shop around and decide prices. Well, not decide the prices, but pick the policies that's going to fall within a price range that's going to be affordable to you. Also, things like smoking or chronic health conditions or your personal activities can vary widely, and that can make a difference in your underwriting considerations. Also, you want to take in consideration the term to permanent conversion options. So if you do decide to buy a term insurance policy now, but think your coverage may change in the future, find out whether or not that policy includes a conversion option. So if you do decide that you want to convert into a permanent policy later on in life, you'll be able to do so. The fourth thing you want to do is make sure it does have lifetime benefit options. So those benefits can take different forms, including long-term care, disability, or critical illness insurance benefits. You may also be eligible for early payment of benefits if your life expectancy is short and you need funds to help pay for end-of-life care. The fifth consideration is going to be the policy exclusions in early years. So don't be drawn in by life insurance quotes on TV that look too low, or if they look too low to be true, there's often a catch. So in some cases, the catch is that the policy will not pay benefits, or they won't pay the full amount of benefits if you die during the policy early years. And that often happens to people. Like they just fall for the $9.99 life insurance, and you gotta, there is a catch to that. So do keep that in mind. The seventh thing you want to consider is the cost of waiting to buy coverage. So as you evaluate your life insurance options, don't be tempted to put a decision on the back burner thinking you'll come back to it later. One of the things that costs us the most is procrastination. A quote in a drawer or some prices that you wrote down for life insurance is not going to benefit or help your family. So you need to, just think about that. And that often happens. That happens to so many people. And even their family know they were looking or they were doing quotes, so they assume that they were protected, but in the very end they were not. And of course, they're left to figure out how they're going to take care of their final expenses for their family. So those are the things that you should definitely keep into consideration. Thank you so much. You guys make it a great one. Have a great week, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday.